So hello guys, it's me Bonavis Fraser and talking about today's market condition. There might be the best A++ setup for us. If you guys look for sell trade on EURUSD, so I'm going to explain all these market projections. So talking about DXY, let's start our top-down analysis from DXY. So what we can see here on DXY is the market is pretty bearish on DXY, right? So we don't have any kind of that much information on daily time frame, so let's shift into 4 hour time frame. So on 4 hour time frame, what we can analyze the market on here is we can see this 4 hour on-field gap that market had left. So market is likely to fill up these gaps over here. Maybe let's see what the market will try to do. So there was this weak opening gap over here on 5th of October, creating all these gaps. So you can see, I'll mark it out for you guys. So this was the gap that market was creating, and right now the market is trying to look out fill these gaps on London session. So on 4 hour time frame, what we can see is we can see this gap. Now let's shift into 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame, what we can see here is market has been creating a lot of buy side liquidity. So you can see this trend line liquidity that market has been respecting from yesterday. So this is gonna be my profit target. Once the market taps into this on-field gap, I'm going to look out for some sort of SMT divergence on lower time frame. Once I see for SMT divergence, then I'm going to target all these liquidity that the market has been creating. So you can see on 1 hour time frame, also on 5-minute time frame. So once the market break out these highs, you will be able to see huge push in the market on EURUSD on downside. If the DXY goes up, you obviously see downside pressure. So I'm pretty sure once the market reaches this point, it's gonna go up so fast because it's gonna trigger a lot of stop losses of selling traders on DXY. I mean, obviously, buy traders on EURUSD. So if the market does this, you'll be able to see many pressure on the market on today's price action. So what I'm going to wait for is the market to tap into this on-field gap. I mean on market opening gap. I want to see some sort of SMT divergence or market structure shift. Then I'll be looking for entries on inverse fair value gap, targeting all this liquidity that the market has been creating. So you can see this trend line liquidity. So basically you can call this buy side liquidity. So I'm going to target for these, and obviously I'm going to target for Asian session highs as well. So same goes for EURUSD on daily time frame. What we can see here is on daily time frame, there's nothing much. What we can see here is nothing much. Let's sit in the 4 hour time frame. On 4 hour time frame, what we can see, so we can see this gap that the market created. It's not that much clear. Let's shift into 1 hour time frame. So you can see this gap on 1 hour time frame. This was the gap. So market is trying to fill out this gap over here. Once the market fills out this gap, I'm going to look out for sell trade or bearish market structure shift, something like this. Then look for retrace and look for entry on inverse fair value gap, and I'll place my sell entry, and I'm going to hunt down all this sell side liquidity that the market has been generating. So it's going to be A++ setup for us. If we see some sort of SMT divergence with the market structure shift, so trust me guys, it's going to be the best trade setup that you guys can ever find in the market. So we can hunt down all this liquidity, and there was also all this liquidity. So you can also see on 1 hour time frame, market has been respecting this bullish trend line. It's gonna be best trade setup. So that's it guys. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If I take trade, obviously I'm going to do trade recap, whether my trade will tap into take profit or stop loss. So stay tuned. Bye bye guys.